these is to stay organized. So what I do is I separate my paper. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to do all my factoring. Over here, I've already drawn a couple fraction bars and a multiplication sign in between. And I'm just going to fill this in after I factor over here. So the thing that's factored over here already is this x plus 1. That's already taken care of, so I just transfer that down there. But everything else, I can factor. Might help to do color coordination or whatever system you come up with, just to stay organized. Organization for these problems is the key. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor the top left-hand corner over here, and I'm going to use red. So we got 3 terms right here, which means we're going to use the x method. Put 14 on top and 15 on the bottom. So we're looking for 2 numbers that multiply together to get 14, add up to 15. In this case, the 2 numbers would be 1 and 14. 1 times 14 gives you 14. 1 plus 14 gives you 15. So what you're left with after you factored it, x plus 1, x plus 14. We're going to go ahead and put that over here. Down below right here, I'm going to factor that using blue. X squared minus 16. When there's 2 terms, you try and determine if there's the difference of 2 squares. In this case, I can take the square root of x squared. That just so happens to be x. I can take the square root of 16. That happens to be 4. And since there's a minus sign in between, if the answer to all 3 of those things is yeah, then you can put these 2 right here, this x and this 4, into this pattern. X plus 4, x minus 4. And then lastly, in this top right-hand corner, we have 2x plus 8. Well, there's 2 terms here, but it's obviously not the difference of 2 squares. What this is you're going to try and factor something out. So 2 and 8, the number that goes into both of those is 2. And you're left with x plus 4 in parentheses. So we're going to say 2, x plus 4. So now that we factored everything, we're going to start canceling. So let's take a look. X plus 1 and x plus 1, we'll go ahead and cancel that. X plus 4 and x plus 4, we'll get rid of that. And what we're left with is this 2, this x plus 14, and this x minus 4. When you multiply fractions, you just go straight across. So we're going to have 2 x plus 14 over, just multiply across, x minus 4.